Next example. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertex is taken in order or -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. Here given 4 vertices of the quadrilateral. Okay. Here we have to find area of the quadrilateral. Okay. Let points A -4, -2, B -3, -5, C 3, -2 and D 2, 3 be the vertices of the quadrilateral. Okay. See this diagram. A, B, C, D quadrilateral. Okay. Here we have to find area of the quadrilateral. Okay. We know area of the triangle formula. Okay. Let us join diagonal BD. Okay. Here we get two triangles. First triangle. Triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. Second triangle. Triangle CBD. Okay. Area of triangle CBD is equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Here these two triangles area is equal to area of quadrilateral. Okay. Now area of the triangle ABD. We know area of the triangle formula of into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. Here vertices are A -4, -2, B -3, -5 and D is 2, 3. Okay. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay. These values are substituted in the equation of into x1 is -4 into y2. y2 is -5, y3 3 plus x2 -3, y3 is 3 minus y1 -2, x3 is 2, y1 -2 minus y2 -5. Okay. Here we get area of the triangle ABD is equal to 23/2 square units. Okay. Next, area of the triangle CBD equal to area of the triangle CBD equal to of into x1 is 3, y2 is -5 minus y3 is 3 plus x2 is -3 into y3 is 3 minus y1 is -2 plus x3 is 2 into y1 is -2 minus y2 is -5. Okay. Of into 3 into -5 minus 3 -8 plus -3 into 3 minus into minus plus 2 into -2 minus into minus plus 5 of into 3 8s 24 minus 24 minus 3 into 3 plus 2 5 2 into -2 plus 5 plus 3 of into minus 24 3 5s 15 2 3s are 6. 2 3s plus 6. Okay. Which is equal to of into 24 minus 15 plus 6. 24 plus 15, 9, 39, 6, 33 minus 33. Therefore, here we get minus 33 by 2. Okay. We know area of the triangle. Area of the triangle never be negative. So, here we take positive value. 33 by 2 square units. Okay. Since area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle CBD. Okay. Area of triangle ABD we get 22 by 2. 23 by 2 square units plus area of triangle CBD is 33 by 2. 23 plus 33 is 56 by 2 square units equal to 56 by 2 equal to 28. 28 square units. Okay. Therefore, area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 28 square units. Next example. You have studied in class 9th that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2 and C 5, 2. Okay. Here the question says median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Median of a triangle. It means a line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of opposite side is called median of a triangle. Okay. Every triangle has exactly 3 medians. Okay. Let's draw triangle ABC. This is the area of triangle ABC. Okay. And draw median. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. AD is median of triangle ABC. Okay. Therefore, coordinates of D are x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2, minus 2 plus 2 by 2. Okay. 8 by 2 is 4, minus 2 plus 2, it is 0. Okay. Coordinates of D are 4, 0. Okay. Next, here we get two triangles. Triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Okay. First, find the area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is, here we get minus 3 square units. Okay. We know area of triangle never be negative. Okay. So, take positive value 3 square units. Okay. Here, negative sign represents the negative coordinate axis. Okay. It may have negative coordinates. Okay. Next, area of triangle ADC. Therefore, area of triangle ADC, we get 3 square units. Okay. See, here we get both triangles areas are equal. 3, 3. Okay. Hence, area of triangle ADC DD is equal to area of triangle ADC. Okay.